Morning energy tip. At night, your body repairs itself and heavily detoxes. Most people wake up dehydrated. Drinking water first thing on an empty stomach reduces brain fog, improves circulation and stimulates the bowels, allowing the body to remove waste more effectively from a night of detoxing. Foods to calm the nervous system. Dark chocolate increases serotonin levels. Green tea, L-theanine and EGCG have anti-anxiety effects. Bananas has amino acid tryptophan that converts to serotonin for relaxation. Blueberries protects brain and nerve cells from inflammation. Grapes, super antioxidant resveratrol for nervous system protection. Chia seeds/avocados, healthy omega-3 fats to protect nerve cells and brain tissue.